Hello, welcome to this session where we look at how to add multimedia into your course page. Now, we start by turn editing on, then move to the section where you want to add that video. So I'm going to add it to how to teach online. So I'll click on add an activity or resource, then I choose media, and then I'll see text and media area. Click on it. Once I click on it, I'll add a title for the video, something like how to teach online. This will appear within the course index. Then here I can say video on how to teach online. I will enter, and then I click on this multimedia icon, this one right here. So when I click on it, then I have a choice of adding a link to that video, the video link itself, the audio link if it is audio, but I want to add a video, so I click on video. Then I need the link where this video is. I'll go to YouTube, and then I'll search, for example, teaching online. Then through this list, I will listen and I'll choose the video, for example this one. I'll right click on it and I choose copy link. I go back to the LMS right here, find a video, I click here and I paste the link. So once I paste the link, I can decide to give the video a size, say 600 by 400 pixels, and then I click on insert media. Once I do that, I move down, I choose to save and return to course. So when I scroll down to that section, I'll be able to find this video right here. So this video is available, and if I scroll up, I'll turn editing off. Then I go to this section of how to teach online. I'll find the index that I put up there right here. By clicking on this index, my student can go right down to this video. So using the media and text area tool, you should be able to add videos that you have vetted and gone through to ensure they meet your teaching need for that particular section or topic within your course. Thank you very much.